Can you tell me one reason you have not downloaded this newest Sweatcoin app? As you can see here, those are the gifts that you will receive when you join this newest Sweatcoin update. Alright, the first one, once you have 1,500 Sweatcoins, you will get $5 from Amazon, Spotify, Google Play, and more. When you have 2,500 Sweatcoin, you will get $10 gift card. And when you have 4,000 Sweatcoin, you will get $15 gift card from Amazon, Spotify, Google Play, and more. And this one, Marvel Zombies water bottle. When you collect 5,000 Sweatcoins, then you'll be able to purchase this Marvel Zombie water bottle. So these are the special offers that you will get when you join Sweatcoin app. I've made a video on how to get started on this app. Okay, you need to get a free or paid VPN, turn it to US server, yeah, and click the link at my description or my comment section to download this app. Make sure that your VPN is turned on while before you click this link to download Sweatcoin. If you already have Sweatcoin in your phone before, go and uninstall it. Yes, uninstall it and start with this newest Sweatcoin update. Alright? So you won't tell me that there is nothing $5, $10, $15 cannot do for you. Abba is a lie. As you can see, this is the challenge I am into. Challenge of getting 75,000 step goal. As you can see, I've gotten 15,000. So I'm still pushing. There are so many offers. There are so many benefits of joining this Sweatcoin newest update. Alright? It will help you to be physically fit and you also make small income. Yeah, let me put it small. You also make side hustle income while doing it. Okay? So what is holding you? Imagine getting paid for being fit, for working out. It's good now. Sister, brother, what is holding you hoping now? And when you invite people, you also get paid. As you can see, for inviting a friend, you get 300 Sweatcoin. So when you download it, you also share your link to your friends, your loved one, your family member. If you have social media handles, you can also share it there so that people will click and join. Once they register through your link, you'll get 300 Sweatcoin. Isn't this amazing? Of course it is. And you also get Sweatcoin when you perform your daily tasks. Yeah, as you can see, daily reward claim 3 over 3. I've done my daily reward today, so it remains for me to finish my workout. My daily goal is 6,000. Okay, so I'm recording this video in the midnight. I've not done my workout. In the morning I will do my workout. All right, so what is holding you? Hop in now. Hop in now. Tap the link at my description or my comment section and join Sweatcoin. Remember, you need a VPN USA server, free or paid, for you to join this program. Alright? So guys, that's all for now. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notification. Whenever I make any upload like these ones, you'll be among the people that will get notified. Alright? Bye guys. See you all in my next one.